Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the residential project that is Brigade Citrine, which is located in Katamanallur, Bangalore, a project by Brigade Group. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, current construction status and even about the position. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office of the project, and about the land parcel is just behind this marketing office where the construction work is going on. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss with the project overview. So this project is constructed in total 4.3 acres of land parcel, where this project is developed in single phase. And this project will be having 2 towers with 2 basement ground plus 30 floors, where 1 BHK and 2 BHK is completely sold out, and currently 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK is available for you all. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located bang opposite to Old Madras Road in Katamanallur, Bangalore. So let me show you that this is the Old Madras Road, and this road will connect you towards Avanahalli. And the opposite side, that is just behind me, you can connect towards Hoskote. Now about further connectivity and location of the project.
Orion Uptown Mall in 400 meters.
Decathlon in 1.7 kilometers. And Budigiri Cross is 3.9 kilometers away from the location of the project. Even you can connect to Whitefield in just 10 minutes of drive. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures like vitrified tiles, SS sink and many more. Now about the external amenities. So this project offers you luxurious amenities like of the infinity pool, sit out area, kids play area, outdoor gym, garden area, multi-purpose court and many more. Now about the parking provision. So this project provides you one type of car parking, and that is the basement level car parking.
Now about the master plan. This is the master plan of Brigade Citrine. As you can see in the image, there are just 2 towers constructed on this land parcel in L shape, which means both the towers are not facing each other, giving you fully privacy and open view. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plan. This is the typical floor plan of Tower B, having 8 flats per floor with 5 passenger lifts, 1 fire lift, 2 staircases. And here 2 flats are of 1 BHK, 2 flats of 2 BHK, 2 flats of 3 BHK and 2 flats of 3.5 BHK residencies. Now about the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1798 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3.5 BHK, 2000 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 2528 square feet super built up area.
Now coming to the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project. So as you can see just behind me, the construction work is going on, and currently the ground level work is in progress. Now about the possession part. So the radar possession of Brigade Citrine is June 2029. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project Brigade Citrine, which is located in Katamanallur, Bangalore, a project by Brigade Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.